Imagine waking up one morning with an idea that would turn into a lucrative online venture. Now picture Jane, a mother of two, nestled in the heartland of America. Jane was far from being an internet guru. She was just a woman with a knack for crafting beautiful handmade jewelry, a passion that would soon become her ticket to an unexpected journey. Jane's story began with a simple Etsy account. Her handmade jewelry, reflecting her artistic spirit and meticulous craftsmanship, started to catch the eyes of online shoppers. Despite the initial excitement, Jane soon faced her first set of challenges. She was competing against thousands of other sellers, and her lack of online business experience started to show. But Jane was not one to back down easily. She began educating herself, spending countless hours learning the ins and outs of online selling, digital marketing, and customer service. She turned every setback into an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to improve. As her knowledge grew, so did her ambition. Jane decided to take the leap of faith and move away from Etsy to create her own e-commerce website. It was a risky move, one that required her to learn new skills like website design and search engine optimization. But Jane was relentless. She was determined to carve out her own space in the online world, to turn her passion into a profitable business. And she did just that. Jane's e-commerce website became a success, attracting customers from all corners of the world. She was no longer just a mom with a hobby. She was now a successful online entrepreneur. Her story is a testament to what can happen when passion meets perseverance, when an ordinary person decides to step into the extraordinary world of online business. And that, my friends, is the story of how Jane turned a simple idea into a thriving online business. Remember, she started with zero experience. Jane is not alone. There are countless success stories of people who started with nothing and built profitable online ventures. Let's explore the journey of Mark, a shining example of a freelance writer who started with zero experience. Mark was a blank slate, but he had one thing going for him: a burning desire to learn. He turned to the vast expanse of the internet, where he found a treasure trove of free resources. Websites, blogs, and online courses became his classroom. He devoured books on writing, honed his grammar skills, and learned how to craft engaging content. When he felt ready to take his first step into the professional world, he didn't wait for opportunities to come knocking. He knocked on doors himself. He signed up on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, which are bustling marketplaces for freelancers and clients alike. He started small, bidding on projects and building relationships with clients. Each completed project was a new addition to his portfolio, a testament to his growing skills. He received feedback, learned from it, and improved. His portfolio grew, and so did his confidence and reputation. He was no longer just a beginner. He was a professional freelance writer. Mark's story is a testament to the power of dedication and the wealth of opportunities available online. He started with no experience, but he didn't let that stop him. He turned the internet into his classroom, online platforms into his workplace, and his passion into a profitable venture. Let's talk about another way to make money online. Have you ever heard of affiliate marketing? It's a business model where you earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. Sounds interesting, right? Well, let me introduce you to Lisa. Lisa, a single mother, was searching for opportunities to earn from home when she stumbled upon affiliate marketing. She began her journey with zero knowledge about this model, but she had an open mind, a desire to learn, and above all, determination. She began by educating herself about the basics of affiliate marketing. She devoured articles, ebooks, attended webinars, and even invested in an online course. She chose a niche that she was passionate about: organic baby products. This choice was key because her passion was palpable and it resonated with her audience. Lisa then turned to social media, her most potent tool. She started a blog and created accounts on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. She shared engaging content about the benefits of organic baby products, personal experiences, and product recommendations with her affiliate links. Did she succeed overnight? No, but she persisted through the initial slow phase. With her consistent efforts, her followers grew, and so did the clicks on her affiliate links. Before she knew it, she was generating a substantial income, enough to support her family comfortably. Lisa's story shows us that with the right strategy and persistence, anyone can succeed in affiliate marketing. So what can we learn from Jane, Mark, and Lisa's stories? Our three protagonists, each with their unique journey, have shown us that the online world is a vast ocean of opportunities waiting to be explored. It's not about having a silver spoon or a seasoned background. It's all about dedication, learning, and strategizing. Let's delve a bit deeper. Jane, the freelance writer, taught us that the internet is a goldmine for those willing to enhance their skills and put them to good use. She started from scratch, honed her writing skills, and is now a successful freelancer. The key takeaway here is to identify a skill you're passionate about, learn it, and offer it to the world. Mark, the affiliate marketer, demonstrated the power of strategy. He didn't rush in, instead he took his time to understand the market, identify the right products, and create a solid marketing plan. His story is a testament to the importance of strategic planning and patience. It's not about the quickest buck, but the steady, long-term income. Lisa's story, on the other hand, emphasizes the significance of utilizing online resources. She used digital tools and platforms to her advantage, creating a thriving online business. Her journey tells us that we live in an age where everything we need to succeed is at our fingertips. We just need to know where to look and how to use it. But remember, it all starts with taking that first step. It's natural to feel overwhelmed, to doubt whether this is for you, but let me assure you, the only way to find out is to dive in. Start small, perhaps with a gig, a blog, or an affiliate link. Learn as you go. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you grow. In conclusion, the online world is not an exclusive club for the experienced and the elite. It's a playground for the dedicated, the learners, and the strategists. It's a place where anyone with a will to succeed can carve out their own path. Remember, every successful online entrepreneur started with zero experience. So why not you? Start earning today.